Hello students, today we are starting the new topic, the aldehydes and ketones, the compound having the carbonyl group. Aldehydes and ketones contains the same functional group, the carbonyl group, that is the C double bond O. In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached either to two hydrogen atoms as in formaldehyde or to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl group, while in ketones the carbonyl group is always attached to two alkyl groups. C double bond O, the carbonyl group, H or R, C double bond O, H, the aldehyde group or the aldehyde group, R, C double bond O, R, the ketonic group. Now we shall see the structure of the carbonyl group. Like the carbon-carbon double bond of alkenes, the carbon-oxygen double bond of the carbonyl group is composed of one sigma and one pi bond. In the carbonyl group, carbon atom is in a state of sp2 hybridization. The carbon single bond oxygen sigma bond is produced by overlap of an sp2 orbital of carbon with the p orbital of oxygen. On the other hand, the carbon single bond oxygen pi bond is formed by the sideways overlap of p orbitals of carbon and oxygen. The remaining two sp2 orbitals of carbon form sigma bond with the s orbitals of hydrogen or sp2 orbital of carbon of the alkyl group. Now, since the three sigma bonds of the carbonyl carbon utilizes sp2 orbitals, they lie in one plane and are 120 degree apart. There is a similarity with alkenes, C double bond 3. However, it is important to note that carbon-oxygen double bond is different from carbon-carbon double bond. Due to greater electronegativity of oxygen atom, the pi electron cloud is attached towards oxygen. Consequently, oxygen attains a partial negative charge and carbon a partial positive charge. Polarity due to inductive effect. This polar nature of the carbonyl group causes intermolecular attraction in aldehydes or ketones and hence account for their higher boiling point than that of hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular weight. Moreover, the polar nature of the carbonyl group also explains the dipole moment in aldehydes and ketones. However, the high values of dipole moment 2.3 to 2.8 diopter of aldehydes and ketones cannot be accounted for only by inductive effect. This can be accounted for if carbonyl group is a resonance hybrid of the two structures. This is the polarity due to resonance. Resonance in carbonyl group also explains the shorter C double bond O bond and hence greater bond energy than the alkenes C double bond 3. Other important difference in carbon oxygen and carbon carbon double bond lie in the fact that the carbonyl group undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions, while olefinic bond undergoes electrophilic addition reactions. Next, isomerism. Aldehydes show chain and functional isomerism. For example, the chain isomers N-butanol and 2-methyl propanol This is isobutanol. Functional isomers. Aldehydes and ketones are functional isomers of oxygenanes, that is the cyclic ethers, unsaturated alcohols and unsaturated ethers. CH3, CH2, CHO, this is propanol, and CH3, COCH3, this is acetone. Again, CH2 double bond, CH, CH2OH, this is allyl alcohol. CH3, CH, CH2O, this is alpha beta propylene oxide. CH2 double bond CHO CH3, this is methyl vinyl ether. Ketone shows chain, functional and metamerism. Examples of functional isomerism is given with aldehydes. The chain isomerism, the formula CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O CH3, this methyl propyl ketone, which shows the chain isomers with CH3 whole twice CH double bond O CH3, methyl isopropyl ketone. Metamers. Ketones, for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3 shows metamerism with diethyl ketone, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3.